Today I'm coming with a new video. Hope you like it too. Now today I'm going to make accessory of hairband, or you can say a headgear in which you wear and you like it. Now for this you just needed Foamiran sheets. Just make a flower in card sheet, then sketch into Foamiran sheet with the help of shashlik sticks. Now you just take a hot iron and place this flower on it just for a few seconds, like not more than 1 second. After placing the Foamiran flower into the hot iron, it automatically pop out. Now you can make the impression with your hands on this flower. Make 7 flowers with the same process and make an impression with your hands. Style of flower you can make with the same process, just you have to twist it with the edge of this flower with the help of your hand. Like as you can see, you can twist it with the edge. Taking all the Foamiran flowers, I just take a felt sheet in yellow color. The size is 10 cm length and the width is 5 cm. You can see I can place all the Foamiran flowers into it. If you like it, please watch all my previous video too. I hope you like it. Now you can see I just fill all the empty place of this crown or headwear with the flower petals in yellow or white color, because I just use the two colors in it, white and yellow, so I use the same flower petal. Completing all the empty place of this headwear with the flower petal, I just take a small leaves which I make with the felt glitter sheet, and I just place in the upper part of this flower petal. Hope you all like it. Now this headwear is completed, mashallah. Hope you all like it. Now the last part is you just place this rubber elastic at the back side of this headwear with the hot glue gun. I hope you like this beautiful headwear which I make, and I hope it also that you make it very easily with your own beautiful hands too. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, hit the bell icon, and if you like this video, please share it and hit the thumb up. Thank you.